Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about that will revolutionize how you store and organize your firewood. If you're looking for the best firewood rack on the market, look no further than the Tiki Milor 4-feet adjustable heavy-duty fire log stacker stand. This is the ultimate solution for all your firewood storage needs, whether you have a fireplace, an outdoor fire pit, or just need a tidy woodpile for the winter. Stick around to discover why this firewood rack is a game-changer. Let's start with the basics. The Tiki Milor firewood rack is available in various sizes, but we're focusing on the 4-feet version today. It's constructed from heavy-duty tubular steel with a durable black powder-coated finish, making it not only incredibly sturdy but also rust-resistant and weatherproof. This means you can place it in any climate, whether it's hot, cold, wet, or dry, and it will stand up to the elements. One of the standout features of this firewood rack is its elevated structure. This design keeps your firewood off the ground, away from humidity and pests, and it also promotes proper airflow. Proper airflow is essential for drying your firewood effectively and ensuring optimal burning conditions. So, with this rack, you'll have perfectly seasoned firewood ready to go. Now, let's talk about assembly. Setting up the Tiki Milor firewood rack is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. Even if you're not a DIY expert, you'll have it up and running in no time. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in your garage, shed, or near your fire source, saving valuable space. The stability of this firewood rocky's another big win. It features 8 sturdy legs that provide superior stability and weight distribution. Even when loaded with heavy logs, you don't have to worry about it tipping over or collapsing. Your firewood will be safe and secure. In conclusion, the Tiki Milor 4-feet adjustable heavy-duty fire log stacker stand is hands down the best firewood rack you can find. Its heavy-duty construction, elevated design, and easy assembly make it a top choice for anyone in need of a reliable firewood storage solution. Whether you're preparing for winter or just enjoy cozy fires year-round, this rack has you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your firewood storage game. If you're ready to enhance your firewood storage and make your life easier, click the link in the description to get your Tiki Milor firewood rack today. And remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.